How to view bet history on 1xBet. First step is to open your 1xBet app. After that, it will bring you in the popular page, along with favorites, bet slip, the history and menu. Just tap on the history and you'll automatically see the bet history, but as you can see right now I don't have any. It's because I don't have any bet history yet on this app, but after you do, you will see it in here. Keeping track of your bet history on 1xBet offers us several benefits for improving your betting experience and strategy. Benefits such as analyzing your performance, as an example, is winning and lose tracking. It is important to understand your overall success rate by reviewing past performance. Along with identifying patterns, it is also important to the users to recognize which sports, games, or strategies are yielding better results. You may also know how to improve your strategies just by viewing your past bet history. Just by looking at it you can improve betting strategy. This means analyze trends and adjust your approach to focus on profitable betting markets or types and avoid repeating mistakes from unsuccessful bets. It also includes the budget management, as a great example is track spending. Monitor how much you've invested in betting over a specific period as well as set limits. Ensure you stay within your budget and avoid overbetting. And much more. And that's pretty much all of it. Hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.